し千本桜影吉玉剣
Get out here, Hiei! I'm gonna kick your ass! Spirit!
Are all the employees here like you? You've got some pretty classy moves for a corporate girl.
The more that you know, the shorter your life will be.
I love the kind of woman that can kick my ass.
It's odd that you would sponsor this Gundam fight, yet not understand the heart of a martial artist, Mr. Wong. Look, and learn a thing about the true martial artist.
Put this in your bingo book. The ninja that will become Hokage of the village, hidden in the leaves. He never backs down. His name's Naruto Uzumaki.
You dumbass! Kick logic out and do the impossible! Remember that. That's the way Team Gurren rolls!